Welcome back to another video. Sorry if I sound a bit off, I'm a bit bunged up. We've been bunged up for a few days. I try my best though. This week we got some marshmallows. Good old carryway. I'm not going to use them all because I want some for myself. But it's full. 2 scoops of 60 grit silicone carbide. Not sure what happened to those. I don't have a clue. Next we have some rusty bolts. I know I done nuts and washers, but I want to see if it'd take it out the threads, see if it'd bring them up like new. Because it did with the nuts and washers, but I want to see if the grit will get in the threads. Hopefully it'll bring them up like new. I will see you in 7 days for the results. Welcome back. Here we are 7 days later. We'll do the marshmallows first. Oh. Alright, that's weird. The brown. They still kind of look like marshmallows, but the brown. Why brown? Yeah, they still like marshmallows, but the outside's brown. You thought they go grey like everything usually does. Yeah, they're literally all brown. That's weird. Yeah, that reminds me of something, but I'm not going to set on camera. Do the bolts now. Yeah, that's done well better than I thought. I'll just give it a quick clean. It literally looks like new. But the only thing I noticed is it's worn down. So it might not grip. I just slip and round it off. But yeah, it's bring the threads up. I'll get out another one. I'll get out a smaller one. So we can get you close up with the threads. Obviously they were covered in rust. I've done it to all of them, they're all the same. Just bring them all up like new. I wasn't sure if it would or not. I wasn't sure if the grit would get in there, but it has. Yeah, look at that. The idea if you're restoring like a car or a bike and you want to use the genuine nuts and bolts, if you want to keep it all genuine, put them in a rock tumbler with some grit and come out like new. Yeah, that's a good one, interesting one. I hope you like that. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment what you'd like to see in there. See you in the next video.